All right. Okay. Am I ready? No, I'm not. All right. Okay, so aloha mai kākou. Welcome to our ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO language class. Today is kala eha o pepeluali, not 2020, 2021, but you all know what I mean. He po'aha ke'ia. It's a Thursday, and we're going to be going over ʻOPAʻA number 3. Okay. So again, if this is your first time joining us, and you're like, what? We're on 3 already? Don't even worry about it, because each ʻOPAʻA can stand alone. So this one we're going to specifically be talking about our ʻOhana, and I sent you guys all the things that you need for the breakout room. So don't be scared, don't run away. You guys are fine. Okay, let's do this. And we have 3 wonderful kākou that are going to be helping us this evening, which you met earlier. Oh, Lena Ala, can you just say a quick aloha, please?
Aloha. Oh my God.
Lena Ala is joining us from Kauai. Okay. Here's our agenda, our quick agenda. Again, pretty much the same way we introduce ourselves and start off. We're going to do a quick ho'oma'ama'a of some of the past lessons that we did already. So get ready to practice with each other, and then we'll get into our lesson about ʻOhana. Okay, and breakout rooms, hopefully for about 10 minutes. We usually go past 7:30, so if you need to leave early, that's totally fine. You can just say ahui ho or aloha in the chat. You're not going to hurt our feelings. Okay. Alrighty. All right, so aloha mai in the haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. If you were here last week, we went over our ho'olauna. Can you guys privately type what the ho'olauna is in English? What is a ho'olauna? Good. Oh, privately. Okay. Okay, good. So that's our introduction. So we're going to practice saying our introduction right now. Well, typing it out and you can say it at home. But here's my introduction, my ho'olauna. Aloha mai kākou, o ka hanuola ko'u inoa, no oʻahu mai au, no hoʻau makiwaluka. Mahalo nui loa. I guess I could have said that live. Why did I put a video on? That's dumb. Okay, but all right. So for our introduction, we have 5 main parts. The first one is our velina, or our greeting. Then we have our introduction of our name, where we were born and raised, our birthplace, where we currently live, and then like a thank you or a hui ho or goodbye. So yeah, I'm gonna have you guys type your ho'olauna in the chat using these. Maybe you don't need to do the aloha and mahalo. Maybe just the 3 over here. Okay, so the question is ovai koinoa. The answer would be o, your name, ko'uinoa. Okay, so every place that it has parentheses or quotes, then you can fill it in with your information. Okay, so I'll give you guys some time to work on that. And then I'm gonna have our 3 kākou, if they can please say their introduction, makaʻolelo Hawaii. Just as, you know, la'ana for our haumana. Erika.
Hiki no. Aloha mai kākou, o Erika ko'uinoa, no ia pana mai au, noho au ma mo ili ili. Mahalo nui loa.
Mahalo. Kapua.
Aloha, o Kapua ko'uinoa no ka ʻele pulu mai au, noho au ma ka ʻele pulu. Mahalo.
Mahalo. Lena Ala.
Aloha, velina mai me ke aloha. O Lena Ala ko'uinoa Hawaii. Noho au ma lihu e no wai manalo mai au. Mahalo no keia hui ana.
Mahalo nui loa. Thank you. All right, so for me, aloha mai kākou o ka hanuola ko'uinoa no oʻahu mai au no hoʻau makiwaluka. Mahalo nui loa. Okay, so I see them coming in the chat. You can still type yours in as they come in. Do you have anyone that want to volunteer to read their ho'olauna for us? Anyone? I don't. Oh, Aliyah, there you go. Kalama, you can mute. Or
Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha mai kākou o ʻAʻA koʻu inoa no California mai au, noho au ma Kaimuki. Mahalo nui loa.
Mahalo nui loa. Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause, everyone. Okay. Anyone else? Let's get one more volunteer. You can just turn on your mic. I can't. There's so much people. I don't even know. Okay. Oh yeah. No. Okay, I'm just gonna call someone. Let's
There's
have
couple hands raised. I see Kehaulani.
Kehaulani. There you go. Kehaulani. Thank you. You can unmute. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Is it unmuted now?
Yeah.
Okay. Aloha kākou o Kehaulani ko'u inoa no Oahu mai au noho au I kapole.
Like that. Good job. Thank you. And then
I wrote it down from last week and I put it here on my desk. So every single day I look at it.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's a really good.
But I just say it at my desk.
Yeah, that's a really good idea. Thank you. And let's get one more. Mel. Mel. Is there more than one now? Okay, we're gonna go to Linda. Linda Leilani Mills.
Oh, kumu now I can unmute.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, melody ko inoa. Wait, sorry, I didn't write them wrong. Wait, that just. Oh, melody ko inoa no kāʻUpahala noho au ma kāʻUpahala.
Okay, mahalo. Thank you. Mahalo nui loa. Okay, so you three, we got small, well, these are books, bird books, I guess, that we got from one of my friends. So we'll send that out to you. If you can private your address in the chat and we'll send them to you. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's go over our loina. I'm gonna call on some of you to read our loina. Again, you may remember this from last time, but it's just what we're gonna practice in this class, okay? So can we get alihi lani?
Aloha.
Aloha.
So the first one is aloha kekahi I kekahi, which is to love one another. We are in ʻOhana.
Thank you. Okay, let's get Sarah Jones. Hey, you guys used to come to the A class. I remember you guys. Okay.
Aloha mai kākou. Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and everywhere you go.
Everywhere you go. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, can we get Pumehana? Oh. Okay, Pumehana.
Aloha, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, e kulia I ka nu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be. Kaloai, kumu.
Yeah.
I'm on Pumehana's computer.
Oh, okay.
I'm Kainoa. It wouldn't let me see the name, so just to let you know. Aloha, everybody.
Kainoa. Okay.
Hi.
I can remember. Did it work? Yeah, it worked. So there you go.
Okay, mahalo.
Kainoa, yeah. Okay, and then Jasmine Tinsley, the last one.
Ah, there it is. Hi, Kumu. I knew you were going to call on me next. I was trying to practice.
You're smiling brightly. Yeah.
Okay. ʻAʻA ka ʻōlelo mai hila hila. Don't dare to speak. Don't be shame in class.
Good job. Thank you. Okay, so these are all of our values that we're going to be following. Yeah, just remember these while we go through class. Let's do our oli. So e homai, asking our kupuna to be here with us while we do our papa'olelo Hawaii. Everyone, if you can sit up, palikekua, and I'll give you guys the starting pitch unless someone wants to start it for us. If not, I can start it. Okay. E homai pa. E homai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. E ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. E ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. E ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai e. Okay, my kai. So our kupuna are here with us this evening. Let's have a really good class, everyone. You may be wondering, when are we going to learn this chant? If you guys want to learn this chant, we can throw that into next class. So maybe we'll do a quick chant tutorial next class at the beginning or at the end, one of the two. But yeah, I mean, it's really simple too, and shouldn't be that hard to teach, but we'll see. Okay, so we're going to do some quick ho'oma'ama'a or practice. So the last unit was about your ho'olauna, your introduction, but it also gave an introduction to the mokupuni. The mokupuni in this lesson is talking about the 8 Hawaiian islands. Okay, e ho'opili mai. When I say ho'opili mai, that just means repeat after me. Mokupuni, e ho'opili mai, mokupuni. Okay, good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, hopefully you finish the lesson, the 8 islands. We're going to kind of have a little quiz, I guess. So if I ask you the question, heaha, ka, and then mea, mea means object or thing, o mokupuni, which means island, then you're going to type in privately, please. We don't want people cheating. We're going to privately type what that is going to be. So if I asked, heaha ka vai ho'olu'u o oahu, then you would put in the answer or in the chat yellow or mele mele if you want to try in Hawaiian. Okay, if you don't know, no worries. This is just like a quick little game, icebreaker kind of things, whatever. So yeah, but let's just go over these things right now. I'm going to call on you, Christine. Can you read this first one?
Aloha.
Aloha.
Vai ho'olu'u.
Vai ho'olu'u, and that is
color.
Good, thank you. Lori Lyon, can you read the next one?
Pua is flower.
Thank you. Allison Milham, can you read the next one?
Mauna Ki'e, highest mountain.
Thank you. Let's go with Tobias.
Inua Kappa Kappa is nickname.
Thank you. And Natalie Riggs.
ʻŌLELO no ʻEO, a wise saying.
Hey, good. So if you have that written down, that's good. Or if you kind of remember, then let's jump to our next slide. All right, so let's go with this. Remember, you're typing it on private, so no one can see. Or if you just want to take a guess, you don't know, but you want to take a guess, that's totally fine. Okay. So heaha ka pua o Maui. Heaha ka pua o Maui. Good job, my kai. Good. Hey, MAKUA. These answers are good. Okay, let's go with Luca. He aha kapua o Maui?
Lokelani Rose.
Lokelani Rose, good job. Okay, let's try the next one. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Kauai. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Kauai. Good job, everyone. I mean, if you went to elementary in Hawaii, you probably learned all this stuff for Mayday. Color, island, song, nickname, maybe. Okay, good. Let's go with, who got it right? Sarah, oh, Sarah went already. Wendy, kani opio? Let me find you. No, sorry, I can't find you. We'll go with Pohai Reed. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Kauai.
Oh, can you repeat? I'm sorry.
He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Kauai, the color.
Pony.
Pony, good job. Okay.
Mahalo.
I'll repeat here, mahalo. Let's go. He aha ka mauna kiʻekiʻe. So he aha ka mauna kiʻekiʻe o Hawaii, MOʻOKÖʻAUHAU. I mean, yeah, good job. This is also considered the mauna kiʻekiʻe of the entire world for some. From, I think, ocean floor, it's the highest. All right, Amanda Jimenez. He aha ka mauna kiʻekiʻe o Hawaii.
Mauna Kea.
Mauna Kea, eo. Okay, let's do two more. So we're gonna do he aha ka inoa kapa kapa o Molokai. So there might be a few nicknames for Molokai. Which one do you know, or which one do you consider the nickname of Molokai? Yeah, could be in English too. Okay. Okay. Good job so far, everyone. I'm hoping there's only one Aloha. Aloha, would you mind answering?
The Friendly Island.
Friendly Island, good. Or there's a few other ones. Makololo Hawaii can be Molokai no Yahina, Molokai Puleo'o. I think that's it. Well, that's all I know. Okay, and then the last one. Let's do ʻŌLELO no ʻEʻAU. I don't know. This may be kind of tricky, but he aha ka ʻŌLELO no ʻEʻAU o. We'll go back to Hawaii. Okay. He aha ka ʻŌLELO no ʻEʻAU o Hawaii. There's another name for it. It could be considered a nickname too. That deals with the chief. Yes, Pukawa, you got it. Pamela, you got it. Good. Azare, Kerry, good guys. Okay. Let's go with Azare and Melissa.
MOʻOKÖʻAUHAU.
MOʻOKÖʻAUHAU. Okay, so that's another nickname for this island. Alrighty. Okay, so we're gonna jump to this real fast. Is the Papani. This is from first class. We didn't get to go over last class because we had a lot to do, but this is gonna come in handy for tonight's class. Okay, so Papani are pronouns. Amanda P, would you mind reading this paragraph for us right here?
The first paragraph?
Yeah, or this little thing right here.
A papani or pronoun is used in a sentence to replace a noun. There are 11 pronouns in Hawaiian, and they are referred to specific groups of people. Here are the first three papani. Did I say that right?
Papani. Papani.
Papani.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so again, we have motions. When we have singular person, these are the motions we're going to use. Okay, so if everyone can take their right hand or whatever hand you guys use, and you're going to gesture, not really point, but gesture to yourself and say, oh. Okay, oh is I or me, so oh. Okay, then you're going to gesture to the screen, just point straight at the screen, kind of like you're talking straight to me, and you'll say oi. Oi. Okay, everyone point to O and point to Oi. Okay, and then the last of these are Oya. Oya just on the side, your right or left. That's Oya. Okay, quickly, let's go Oi. Oya. Oh. Yeah, I'm testing ya. Oi. Oh. Oya. Okay, that's basic level. Next, moving on. We're gonna have two people. So this only has to do with two people. A little trickier, but the motions really help. I mean, I hope they help. If they don't help, then sorry. Okay, so this is dealing with two people, okay? So 2 fingers up. You're gonna do kawa, which is we, us two, you and I. So pretending, again, you're talking to me. You're just gonna go kawa, or kawa. Okay, this next one is a little bit tricky because it's going to be us two, me and my friend Bob over here. And not the person you're talking to. So what I like to do is do the Mean Girls, you can't sit with us hand in the camera, and then you're gonna go like this. Okay, so everyone, repeat after me, Maua, Maua. Okay, so let's do the hand in the face, and we'll go Maua. Okay, Kawa, Maua. Good. It's kind of cool seeing everyone just putting their hand in the camera. So, okay, then you have Olua, which is you two. So like you're pointing to me again, you two. Good, that one's pretty easy. You two, and then Lawa to the side. They two. Bob and Job. I don't know, whatever. Okay, let's try those ones, and then we'll add it together with just one person. Okay, so let's do Kawa. Olua. You two. You two, so straight at the camera, yeah. Maua, you can't sit with us. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Okay, and then Lawa, they two. Okay, hopefully you guys got it. We'll see. Let's do O. Show me O. Okay, let's do Ashlyn Weaver. That's a great, I like it. Good job, Ashlyn. Okay, she said kind, K equals kind, so that's kawa, we're including you. M equals mean, that's mawa, we hate you, okay? All right, so show me O, everyone. Point to O. Point to Oi. Point to Oya. Okay, good. Now our last one, which is 3 or more people. Okay, and you see ʻEkolu right here. So this one's a fun one, kākou. You guys wanna show me kākou, everyone? Yeah, ride the horse. Okay, so kākou is all of us. We go kākou. And this is the motion I made up. So if anyone's out there doing this motion, all the other teachers, I started it. Okay, kākou, that. Okay, same thing for mako, hand in the face. Mako, you can't sit with us. Okay. Oko, point straight to the camera. You 3 over there. And then Lako, they 3. Okay. Okay, so let's try these 4 together. Kako, bounce. You gotta bounce. Kako, all of us. Mako, hand in the face. Oko, you 3. and then lako, they three. Okay, so this is gonna come in handy a little bit later on. Do you guys wanna, we have time. Oh God, 7 o'clock already. Okay, let's just do a quick one. Okay, I'm just gonna yell them out. Ready? Point to O. Good, okay. Point to Olua. It's on the screen if that helps. Olua. Okay. Point to Lako. Point to Oya. And then kākou. Sarah Jones, your son is having a blast over there. Okay, good. Remember it. Don't forget it. I know it's hard. All right, let's go to our lesson. This might take a while, but we'll try and get through it as quickly as possible. So this is our ʻŌLELO no ʻEAU for this lesson number 3, our ʻOhana. And in the chat, can you guys just type what ʻOhana means? You can. It doesn't have to be private. You can just type your definition of ʻOhana. The Disney version, if you want, the Disney definition. ʻOhana means family. Family means that. No one gets left behind or forgotten. Yeah. Okay, so this is our ʻŌLELO no ʻEAU. I'm gonna have Nainoa. Wait, Tammy. Yeah. Can you read our ʻŌLELO no ʻEAU?
Ike aku, ike mai, kokua aku, kokua mai, pele iho la ka nohona ʻohana.
Okay, and that means?
Recognize and be recognized, help and be helped. Such is the family life.
Like that, good job. Okay, so this is a good ʻŌLELO no ʻEAU for us to remember with our family. It's not just a one-person thing, it's a reciprocal relationship when it comes to ʻOhana. And if you know any Hawaiian families, you know that they're there for you no matter what, So what does ʻOhana mean to you in the chat? And why is your ʻOhana important? Okay, I mean, there's really no right or wrong answer, unless you hate your family, but you know, we're not judging. Rent is cheaper. Bag. Support, yes, my support, good. Anyone want to read what they wrote or just want to share just one quick mana'o? I'm gonna have Bag read what you wrote.
Rent is cheaper.
Rent is cheaper. Okay, now give us the real answer.
They love you no matter what.
Good job. Okay, but yeah, rent is cheaper. All right. Okay, so let's go through some of these terminologies. If you haven't been through any of our slides yet on Google Classroom, this is how they work. I really am a stickler or like a promoter of vocabulary, and I hope you guys are interested in learning vocabulary. And this is a good way to do it with these emojis that I stole from the internet, but so yeah, let's just go through these terms. And you may be familiar with some of them already, but let's just take a guess. When I highlight the picture, you guys can put your guess in the chat privately, okay? Guess in the chat privately. So what is this first one? It may be kind of hard to tell, but okay, you guys got it. Oh, and then the terms are on this side, if that helps. Okay, good. Myrna. Where's Myrna? I can't find you, Myrna. I gotta unmute you. Okay, never mind. Oh, there, I found her. Okay, Myrns. Oi. What is that term?
MāKUA kane.
Kane. Okay, yeah, kākou kane is your father. Okay, where that? Oh, there. Okay, let's do the next one. If that's MāKUA kane, let's take a guess on this next one. Sorry, I had to put the brown emojis because we're in Hawaii. Okay. Let's go with Carrie. What is that one?
Say it. This one. What is this one? Kamakua hine.
Good job. Kamakua hine. Thank you. Okay. This next one. If that's makua, you probably can guess what this one is. You at least heard this word before, or the shorter word. Good. Justin, can you give us your answer?
Ke kupuna kane.
Kupuna kane. And can you just give us the next one too? I mean, it's pretty easy.
Okay. Ke kupuna hine.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. And then these last four, I'm gonna see if you guys can take a guess. So put 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put your answers after, if that makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I see what you did. Okay, that's smart. Good job, everyone. So you guys are pretty advanced, unless you, yeah, you guys are advanced. Emily and Josh, you guys want to give us what these are? Starting with this one.
Keiki kane.
Good. The next one.
Kaikamahine.
Good.
The next one is ka pepe.
And the last one is ʻOhana.
Wow, look at that teamwork. Let's give them a round of, let's give them a prize for teamwork. Thank you. So you guys are gonna get a book too if you can send your address.
Hello.
We don't have prizes galore up in here. It's just whatever people donate to us. So don't be expecting a prize every class. Shoot. Okay. All right. So let's go straight into our introductions of our ohana. Okay. So our question, e ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Owai ko makua kane. Owai ko makua kane. Okay. So you should be, your mouth should at least be moving, repeating after me. I know I cannot hear everyone, but if you can hear yourself, then that's my kai. Owai ko makua kane. Okay, Barbara, can you read your, can you repeat after me? Owai ko makua kane.
Owai ko makua kane.
Good, and that, again, is who is your father. Okay, so if you want to answer that, all you're going to do is take out vai, put in your father's name, and then take out ko and put in ko'u, which is my. This is asking your, and then answering, you'd say my. So me, o Samuel ko'u makua kane. Okay, so can you guys all type in your answer? And you can, doesn't have to be private. You can just, yeah. I usually just say the first name, but if you want to say first and last, whatever. Okay, now I'm probably going to try and get everyone to speak. So we'll see. Savannah. Savannah Onana. Owai ko makua kane.
O darin ko makua kane.
Okay. Okay, can you leave your mic on? I'm going to have you ask Marissa. And Savannah, if you can just ask the question again.
Owai ko makua kane.
Thank you. Mario ko'u makua kane.
Awesome. And if you can leave yours on, and I'm going to have you ask Selena. Anything for Selena's, these names. I love it.
Hi, Selena. Owai ko makua kane.
O Peter ko'u makua kane.
And if you can just ask me, Selena.
Owai ko makua kane.
O Samuel ko'u makua kane. Okay, so that's our father. There's other words like stepfather. If you guys want to do stepfather, that would be makua kane kolea. I don't know, or hanai if you have someone you're adopted would be hanai. I'll take that for you guys. So step and hanai is adopted. Oh, thanks, Lainala. Thank you. Okay, so that's your father. If you guys want to write it down or just have it in your chat for our breakout rooms, that's Mikai. Okay, so we're going to move on. Pretty much, we're going to just do the math equation. Take out makua kane, add in makua hine. So our next question, e ho pili mai, ʻOwai ko makua hine. And there's my friend. I see my friend Mariah Ha'o. I'm a friend. E ho pili mai, repeat after me. ʻOwai ko makua kane, or makua hine. You can unmute it. Sorry.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Hi, friend.
Hi, aloha. ʻOwai ko makua hine.
Okay, my ka'i. And then ke kai malu, if you can repeat after me too. E ho pili mai. ʻOwai ko makua hine.
ʻOwai ko makua hine.
Okay, my ka'i. Okay, so let's do the same thing. Let's answer this question. ʻOwai ko makua hine, but let's put in our mother's name this time. Cousin Cappy, she's not even here. She fails. Okay, so for me, O Cappy, or student cousin Cappy, ko'u makua hine. My mother is student cousin Cappy. But I could also say, O Cappy, ko'u test dummy. So she's my test dummy too. I'm gonna say that every class. Okay, so now let's answer. We're gonna do that same kind of activity. Let's go with, trying to get everyone tonight, but we'll see. Julianne Lewis, if you can answer, ʻOwai ko makua hine.
ʻOdana ko'u makua hine.
Like Kai, thank you. You can leave yours on and you can ask Yaneth Torres.
ʻOwai ko makua hine.
Yeah, go.
O leina ala ko'u makua hine.
You guys, you want to go too?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, o Nubia ko'u makua hine.
Okay, let's get one more. If you guys can ask Hiamoy_girl.
Hiamoy, ʻOwai ko makua hine.
O Ilika Pako ko'u makua hine.
Love the name, thank you. And you can ask me just for practice.
ʻOwai ko makua hine.
Oh crappy, I mean, oh crap, oh Cappy. Yeah, that's her nickname, sorry. Oh, Mom, you want to join us? No, okay, fine. Are you gonna join us? Okay, come meet your new class. So this is student cousin Cappy, if you don't know. Everyone say hi, student cousin Cappy.
Aloha!
So she'll be joining us throughout the classes, but she's kind of busy at the moment. But
yeah. We're doing COVID vaccines every night, so I've been really busy. Kalamai.
Okay, while you're here, you want to answer these questions? ʻOwai ko makua kane?
O kau'i ko'u makua kane.
ʻOwai ko makua hine?
O carry ko'u makua hine.
Good job. Okay, bye.
Bye, aloha.
Bye. Okay. Yeah, let's just do this one. So this next one is ʻOwai ko mau makua. So the mau over here is going to show plural. Okay, every time you see ko and mau is going to show plural. Ko, your, and then plural. So ʻOwai ko mau makua shows who are your parents. Okay, this one's a little bit trickier because instead of just saying one name, you're going to say two. So when you have two names, you're going to put laua'o in between the two names. Okay, so like my example would be O Samuel, laua'o Cappy, ko'u mau makua. Okay? Okay, so let's, you guys can write in your answers using this sample right here. And let's see where we go with that. Your favorite color is? All right, so let's get Leina Ala. Owai ko mau makua.
O Kilauea, Lawa o Marlene, ku'u mau makua.
Okay. Erika, owai ko mau makua. Oh yeah.
Sorry, Kumu, did you say me?
Yeah.
Oh, kalamai. O John Loa o Tomoko, ko'u mau makua.
Okay, and Kapua, owai ko mau makua.
O Chad, Lawa o Annette, ko'u mau makua.
Okay, and then everyone, you don't need to turn on your mics because that'll be cray cray. But owai ko mau makua, just say it at home. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, awesome. Oh, I know her. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That. All right. So we're moving to our kupuna now. So this one should be pretty easy because it's pretty much the same thing. Just taking out makua kane, putting in kupuna kane, and so on and so forth. So our next question, and if I'm moving too fast, you know the drill. Sorry, we don't have time. So owai ko kupuna kane, who is your grandfather? Same thing in the chat. And the chat is going to help you in the future when we get into our breakout rooms. Well, maybe put in the chat and then put it on the side screen too. Okay, owai ko kupuna kane, who is your grandfather? Good. Good. Sally Ann Cran. I'm just going to say first names from now on. So Sally Ann, owai ko kupuna kane. Sorry, there's a Sally Ann. There's a unmute button. If you, yeah.
Okay. Oh, Edward ko kapakane.
Okay. If you can ask Ethan.
Owai ko kupunakane.
Oh, David ko kupunakane.
Okay, and if Ethan, you can ask Shaughnessy.
Aloha Shaughnessy. Owai ko kupunakane.
It should be O Francis ko'u kupunakane. Sorry, my children.
So good, thank you. Okay, so we got our kupuna kane. Now let's do our kupuna hine, our grandmother. So owai ko kupuna hine. It's always good to practice, so if you can just repeat the question after me too. Owai ko kupuna hine. Great. Okay, good. I'm just gonna go with some of the people who already put it in the chat. So let's go with, if I can find you, Pukaua. What an awesome name.
Mahalo. O Harriet ko'u kapuna hine.
Okay, and if you can ask, let's go with Wailani Pimento.
Aloha, owai ko kapuna hine.
O Mary ko'u kupuna hine.
Okay, and if you can ask Susanna Arelli.
Aloha, Susanna, owai ko kupuna hine.
Aloha, o Povita ko kupuna hine.
Okay, and I'm gonna have you ask Valkyrie.
No. No. I don't know, but his name is Povita.
Oh no, sorry. You can just say the question.
Okay. Sorry. Aloha, owai ko kupuna hine.
O Linda ko'u kapuna hine.
Okay, good job. Okay, so those are our parents, grandparents. Those are our immediate family that we have. You also, maybe we'll go over sisters and brothers next week, but they're kind of like whatever. So yeah, we'll do that next week. Okay. This next part, we can do it. We're just gonna go through it. Let's just do it. Let's imua, kākou, everyone. So we're gonna go through our MOʻOKÜʻAUHAU. So we're still using that same kind of pattern, but we're gonna make our genealogy now. And in Hawaii, genealogy is very important because it shows where you come from, shows what ʻAʻA you're connected to, shows your rank. I'd probably be, nah, I wouldn't be a chief. I'd be like just a commoner. I'm a no one. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay, so what we're doing now is 3 parts for our genealogy or MOʻOKÜʻAUHAU. And if Erika, can you copy just the genealogy part in? That might be helpful. Okay, so we're gonna start with your paternal grandparents, which is your father's side. And then what we're doing is just filling in the blanks. So I'm gonna say mine. What's his name? Samuel Kekane, Marilyn Kawahine, noho pulawa ʻAʻA ia Samuel Kekane. Okay, so what it's saying is Samuel was the man, Marilyn was the woman, noho pulawa, they lived together, and born was Samuel, my father, a man. Okay, so it's very specifically to your father's side. Okay, so let's, either you can start typing it out. I'm just gonna go through it one more time and you can repeat after me. But fill in your name, okay? Samuel Kekane, Marilyn Kawahine, noho pulawa ʻAʻA ia Samuel Kekane. Okay. Okay. Good. Now if you guys can type yours out, it's good because Erika sent you the one at the top. You can just copy that and fill in the name. So thank you, Erika. Good job, Amanda. Good job, Stephanie. Good job, Shaughnessy. Good job, everyone. Okay. While that's coming in, I'm going to call on a few of you. If you can read your first paternal grandparent side. Shannon, please.
Dan Kekane, Emily Kawahine, noho pulawa ʻAʻA ia Michael Kekane.
Mahalo. And when you were cracking up this morning at our story?
Yes.
Yeah, he's crazy. Hey. All right, let's go with Serena, Serina. If you can read yours.
Anthony Kekane, Ann Kawahine, noho pulao ʻAʻA ia Tony Kekane.
Good, thank you. And then Anela Lani. Also, if you're uncomfortable sharing your family's names, when I call you, just make up names. Just go Ariana Grande Kawahine, like that kind. Okay, because you know that's your password for your credit card, yeah. So I have all your credit card passwords now, yeah. The secret question. Okay, Anela Lani.
Paul Kekane, Joy Kawahine, noho pulawa ʻAʻA ia Darren Hekane.
Good job. Thank you. Okay, so we're doing the same pattern but our mother's side now. So the only thing that changes on this is instead of saying Hekane, you're going to say Hewahine. Okay? So nothing different than Hewahine. Good. Azure, you guys get them already. Makai. I know some people may have to research their grandparents. They never met them, and that's totally fine. So you can make up a name if you want. Okay, so o wau for me, talking about my mom's side, o Gilbert ke kane, o Carrie ka wahine, ua noho pulaua a hanau ia o Cappy he wahine. Okay. So if you look at the screen and you're like, whoa, that's a lot. It's kind of not, but I mean, I don't know. Don't be overwhelmed. I don't want you guys to be overwhelmed at all because we're trying to make this as comfortable as possible. So if you're scared, that's totally fine. Be scared, but just know that it's a part of the process of learning ʻŌLELO, yeah? Okay, let's go with, who never went yet? Erin Young. Can you read yours for your mom's side?
Oh,
We hope.
can you see me?
Yep, you're good.
O Henry ke kane, o Winifred ka wahine, ua noho pulaua a hanau ia o Gail he wahine.
Good job, thank you. Angel Bolton. Sorry.
Okay. O Joe ke kane, o Josie ka wahine, ua noho pu lawa a hanau ia o Alice he wahine.
Good job. Okay, and then Julian, if you can read yours, please.
Okay. O Charlie ke kane, o Diane ke kawahine, ua noho pulaua a hanau ia o Dawn he wahine.
Good job. Okay, thank you. All right, and our last one is just our immediate. So this is our parents, mom, dad, and us. Okay, there's a little bit difference though because you either are man or woman or okay. I guess you. I mean, you are what you are. There you go. You are what you are. Maybe we should add our pronouns into our names later on, if you guys for next class. Okay. So for me, o Samuel Kikane, o Kapi Kawahine, o Noho Pulawa. The only thing that's changing is Hanau Iao. So they live together, and I was born. Okay, and o Wau o Kahanuola Hekane. Okay. Let's see what you guys can put in the chat, your answers and things. Okay, and I'm trying to find who I never called yet, who has their camera on. Mahealani Kua. We'll get you guys coming. Danielle Tanuvasa, and one more, Dorcas M. Fo. So Mahealani, you guys, maybe you both can go if you want, yeah. And we're at the 7:30 mark, so the lesson is officially done. After this, we're done, but we're gonna go into our breakout rooms. So if you want to stay for the breakout rooms, I mean, I highly encourage it, but you can go if you need to. Ahui ho. We'll see you guys next week. Erika, one more time if you can send the links. Yeah. Okay. Mahealani Kua. Ahui ho.
Okay, aloha. O Clayton ke kane, o Myra ka wahine, ua noho pulaua a hanau ia au o Mahealani he wahine.
Oh, okay. O Samson ke kane, o Mahealani ka wahine, ua noho pulau a hanau ia au o kala he wahine.
Hey, thank you. Okay, Danielle.
Oh, okay, sorry. O Kaio ke kane, o Karen Kawahine, ua noho pulaua hanau ia au o Danielle he wahine.
Good job, that's great. And lastly, Dorcas M. Fo.
O Richard ke kane,
o Josephine Kawahine, ua noho pula ua a hanau I au, o au o Dorcas he wahine.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have our 3 sections for our MOʻOKÜ'AUHAU. Now, when we get into our breakout rooms, that's what we're going to be sharing. Hopefully, we can do 10 minutes, but if that's too long, just come back to the main room and yeah, we'll be fine. So, breakout rooms. Again, you're going to be facilitating your own group. As a group together, you'll be facilitating yourselves. Just, again, remember ho'ihi, respect, aloha ke kahi ke kahi. Be patient with everyone. Some of us, we still don't know how to use some of these things, so let's just be patient with everyone. And yeah, so I'll see you guys. Let me split you guys up first. Okay, yeah, 4 to 5 people. That's good. Okay. Opening. Okay, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. So yeah, have fun, meet new people. Wala'au, kama'ilio, talk to everyone. Good. Oiho. Luca, can I ask you something? So is you and your mom are taking this together?
Yes.
Okay, I always see good job, and I love that's so awesome.
Yeah, I'm in Northern California and she's in Southern California.
Oh wow, awesome.
But we're both from Oahu.
Yeah. Oh, cool,
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Mahalo pia.
Mahalo pia. Huiho.
Huiho.
I'm just.
Oh no.
Nervous or? Oh man. Okay. Oh, there's Ashlyn. Okay. So it looks like we have 4, 5.
Yeah, one has their camera.
So can you hear me or no?
You're kind of glitching a little bit.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll go last then.
Okay. Yeah, maybe Ashlyn, since you guys are on, you can go.
Okay. So we're doing grandparents and then all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, so paternal. James Weaver Kekane. What was my dad's mom's name? Can't remember. We'll call her Auntie. I don't remember.
Ariana Grande, yeah.
Ariana Grande. Kawahine o noho pu lawa hanau ya o Robert Weaver he kane. And then I'll do my mother's side.
MāKUA.
Thank you.
Hey. All right, next pair. Next volunteers.
Were you the first?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can go ask.
We can ask
Shannon.
I'll ask Shannon and then Emily can ask Carrie. So let's go really. Owai ko makua kane?
O Michael ko'u makua kane.
Good job.
Oh jeez. Owau ko makua hine? Same thing.
O Lopini ke kane o Alihilani Kapahine ua noho pulawa a hanau ya au o Alihilani Hepahine.
Awesome.
We already went through everything. I'm the only one left.
Okay. So after you guys can just do maybe you can ask Owai ko makua hine, the questions, yeah?
Yeah, we can practice.
Okay, perfect.
MOʻOKÜ'AUHAU o Dennis ke kane o Ruth ke wahine ua noho pu la'au a hanau ia o Darren he kane o Louis ke kane o Laprel ka wahine ua noho pu la'au hanau ia te wila he wahine. O Darren ke kane o te wila ka wahine. Ua noho pūla'au a hanau ia au o Savannah.
Yeah. And just a little plug, I had Savannah as a Homana in Explorations or Ho'olauna, so it's so cool seeing her again as a senior in high school. Hi, Savannah. Thank you.
Aloha.
Aloha. Good job. Okay. Okay, bye.
Okay. Kawahine. Ua noho pulawa a hanau ia o Kanani he kane. O Philip ke kane. O Eva Kawahine. Ua noho pulawa a hanau ia o Ka Iwalani he wahine. O Kanani ke kane. O Ka Iwalani ka wahine. Ua noho pulawa a hanau ia a.
Oh, hi, were you by yourself? Sorry. I think, I don't know, it's not, can you, isn't that turning on your mic?
Like I'm talking to myself also.
Well, you were by yourself this whole time?
Yeah, I kept leaving to see if I would get into a group, and then nothing.
Yeah, so Selena, I'm gonna move you to another one. Here, let's put you in group breakout room 1. So it's here. Were you guys not put into a room, or were you guys are you guys done already?
We're all out already.
Okay, okay, okay. We'll be back in a little bit. So you, yeah. Wait.
There was one person, and then she left.
Oh.
So that's okay.
You know, me and you, we can practice, okay? So
I was like, oh, what happened? She disappeared.
Didn't this happen last week? No, something happened last week. I forget.
No, last week I just couldn't. I didn't have the
slides.
So I couldn't participate. You know, because.
But you're good.
Yeah, I have it in front of me because
Awesome.
we're doing for the breakout, right? The parental.
Oh yeah. So you have it on. Oh, so using your iPad and the computer. That's smart.
Yes, that's what I'm doing because I have a hard time going back and forth. So I figured let me have
2 things.
So I'm looking over there because I'm looking at the screen.
Yeah,
okay.
No worries. No worries. You want to read through yours?
So we start off with Papa Juan Kekane, and then Mama Chula Kawahini. Oh, and then Ua no. I'm gonna mispronounce all this. Ua no ho fu lua hauna.
Hauna. Hanau.
Hauna.
Hanau.
Hauna.
Yeah.
Sorry. Hauna la o Fernando he kane.
Good job. Okay. Mother's side.
And so o Papa Juan ke kane, o Mama Lala ka wahine, ua no ha, oh no, yeah, ua no ho.
Yep.
Pu lua hauna. la'o Rosa he wahine.
Okay.
And then
your parents, yeah.
Okay. O Fernando ke kane o Rosa kawahine ua no noho pu laua a hau na nawa lawa o au o Estela.
Good job. Good job. Sounds good. So the hanau or the hauna you're saying is gonna be hanau. Hanau.
Hanau.
Yeah, yeah.
Hanau.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Okay, and then perfect timing. That was our time's up. So yeah, we'll go back into the other one.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, good job everyone. Okay, before everyone comes back, let's just do a quick screenshot picture. Everyone shaka shaka shaka. Or smile, 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 whatever you want to do. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep smiling. I'm gonna go to the next page. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Okay, so hopefully that went well. You got to meet some new people as well. Let me share the screen again. Okay, so yeah, let's just do back in our Lumi Papa. Does anyone want to volunteer to read their entire ʻŌLELO? I'm gonna try and choose some people that never went yet or never got to speak yet. So if anyone wants to volunteer, Kapua, if you see any hands, let me know. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna choose someone that never went yet. Okay, and who that gonna be? Sina Peters. I don't know. You may have gone already, but
Okay.
you need the words, or you get them in front of you.
I have it in front of me.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So, o Kevin Kekane, o Darlene Kavahine, o Noha Pu Lawa Ahanau ia o Tuvai Hekane, o John Kekane, o Patricia Kavahine, o Noha Pu Lawa Ahanau ia o Debbie Hebahine, o Tuvai Kekane, o Debbie Kavahine, o Noho Pulau Lawa Hanau ia au o au o Sina Hebahine.
Yeah, good job.
Okay.
Thank you so much. If you can send your address too, we have one more book, so that's going to you. And then I'm gonna have Kainoa, if you can too, read yours. Wait, I gotta find Kainoa there.
Aloha. E ku'u MOʻOKÜʻAUHAU o George Sina Kekane o Tweety Kavahine. Ua noho pūlaua a hanau ia o George Jr. Kekane. O John Kekane o Lolita Kavahine. Ua noho pūlaua a hanau ia o Malia Hewahine. O George Kekane, o George Jr. Kekane o Malia Kavahine. Ua noho pūlaua a hanau ia'u o wau o Kainoa.
Good job. I just want to mahalo everyone. Let's do it one time together. So at home, no need to turn on your mics. Just let's go through each part of our MOʻOKÜʻAUHAU. Okay, so starting with our paternal grandparents. Oya. O Gilbert Kekane. Wait, sorry, I forgot. Wrong side. O ready? Oya. O Samuel Kekane. O Marilyn Kavahine. Ua noho pūlaua a hānau ia o Samuel Hekane. Moving to our mother's side, everyone saying your maternal grandparents. Oh yeah. O Gilbert Kekane, o Carrie Kawahine, ua noho pūlaua a hānau ia o Kapi he wahine. Okay, good. Everyone sounds beautiful. I can hear you all. Okay, and then last one, our parents. Makoko, yeah. O Samuel Kekane, o Kapi Kawahine, ua noho pūlaua a hānau ia au, o au o Kahanuola Hekane. Good job, everyone. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's just wrap up with our panina. Okay, so next class is going to be Thursday, February 11th. It's going to be this link again, but I still want you guys to register. So Erika, one more time, please. Thanks. Okay, so if you guys can register right now, and then I usually send it out the day before. So I know some people are like, cool, I didn't get the link or whatever, but I send it out the day before because I can't think 3 days ahead. I think the next day. So that's when you get it, okay? But yeah, I think that was a really good class. Everything went really well. Again, you can come back to this as much as you want. It's on YouTube, IG, and Google Classroom. So if you want to review, it's all here. Any questions, you can stay after. We'll be here to Vala'au and Pakapapa. Don't forget, February is Mahina ʻŌLELO Hawaii, or Hawaiian Language Month. So try and speak one new word a day, or just incorporate some Hawaiian whenever you can. Okay. Really good job, guys. Proud of everyone. You can stay and ask questions or just Vala'au if you want. I'll see you guys next week. Hui ho. Aloha. Thank you. Mahalo, mahalo. And then the addresses too. If you never get to send your address, you can send it to me, please. I got Emily and Josh's. Yep. Okay. Anyone have a question? Clarifying or Sally Ann? Sorry, your mic.
How do I register for next week's class?
Okay, so Erika, can you just send her that one link, not the whole thing? Sorry, I know there's a lot. So she's gonna send you the link, and then it's a new link at each week, Sally Ann. But I just ask you to register each week just so that I can have a count.
So did you send me a link for next week?
Yeah, it's Erika just sent it. Do you have the chat open?
Yeah, the chat's open.
Yeah, so it should be that last one. It wasn't from me. It was from Erika, Google form for next class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? Next week, we're going to go over numbers. So we're going to learn our numbers in ʻŌLELO, and we're going to do some questions like, how old are you? Your birthday, and some other things. But yeah, so that'll be fun too. Okay. We good? If we're good, everyone can head out, and I'll see you guys next class. Unless you guys have one more last question. No. Okay, we hope. See you guys.
Carrie, when Kumu reposted your chant in the morning, that was so beautiful. Just wanted to say, I'm glad that you chanted even though your family was asleep.
Thanks, Kimi, for giving me the inspiration to chat while your babies are sleeping. Nah, it was good. And I'll send you your calendar too. And I know you don't do it for the prizes, but you know, you get the practice because you do the work.